Good evening, children. How is the classes going on? Yes? Is it good? Yes. Let us start with today's class. Today's class, the topic is Roman numerals. Yes? You have been using the Hindu-Arabic numeral system so far. This is not only the system available. One of the earliest systems of writing numerals is the system of Roman numerals. Yes, this system is still used in many places. For example, you can see the Roman numerals in clocks. Is it? Have you seen? In clocks, you might have seen the Roman numerals. See, like this. Have you seen? Have you noticed such numbers? Yes. You might have seen these in the clock. Is it? Now, today we'll learn what are these symbols denoting. Yes? Mainly in Roman numerals, we have these 7 symbols. Yes, that is here I, which denotes 1 in Hindu-Arabic. Here V, it denotes 5. X, it denotes 10. L, it denotes 50. And C denotes 100. And D denotes 500. And M denotes 1000. So, if you have to know about Roman numerals, mainly you have to know these 7 symbols. Yes, I'll repeat again. I denotes 1, V denotes 5, X denotes 10, L denotes 50, and C denotes 100. D denotes 500 and M denotes 1000. If you have to know how to write the Hindu-Arabic number in Roman numerals, you will have to follow certain rules. Yes, we'll know the rule now. Rule 1 tells that if a symbol is repeated, its value is added as many times it is occurring. For example, look at the symbol I. If it is written once again, here it is, the value is 2. That is, it is added up. Similarly, if you see X and X, the value of X is 10. Here also 10. So, it gets added up. So, it is 20. Yes. Similarly, another example I will tell you. C is nothing but 200. That is, 100 plus 100 is 200. That is the first rule. Also, we will see that the symbols like V, L and B are never repeated. Yes. So, among these symbols, the symbol V, L and D are never repeated. Yes, that is the first rule. Let us go for the second rule. Second rule tells that no symbol is repeated more than 3 times. It is never repeated more than 3 times. So, second rule tells that no symbol is repeated more than 3 times. For example, to write 4, we don't use the symbol 4 times. This is wrong. Yes, we'll learn how to write 4 in the next rule. Yes, let us go for the rule number 3. Rule number 3 tells that if a symbol of smaller value is written to the right of a symbol of greater value, its value gets added to the value of greater symbol. For example, look here, V. And if I write I here, it is 6. Why? This symbol is greater, 5, and this symbol is 1, so it gets added up, so it is 6. Similarly, look here, X, Y, I. So, here the greater value is 10, plus 1, it is 12. Yes, did you get it? This is the rule number 3. Let us go for the rule number 4. Rule number 4 tells that if a symbol of smaller value is written to the left of the symbol of greater value, that is, suppose you think this is V and a smaller value I is written to the left of it. So, it is subtracted. Here the greater value is 5. This is subtracted here. So, the value is 4. This is 4. Yes? Similarly, you see here. Yes? Greater value is 10. When it is I is subtracted, it becomes 10 minus 1. It is 9. The symbol for 9 is IX. Did you get it? Now we will go for the last rule, that is the rule number 5. Rule number 5 tells that the symbols V, L and D are never written to the left of a symbol of greater value. Yes, rule number 5 tells that the symbols V, L and D are never written before the symbol of greater value. For example, look here, C, and if you write V here, it is not 95. Yes, it is not 100 minus 5, it is not 95. So, how will you write for 95? 95. First, you will split it according to the place value, that is 90 plus 5. The symbol for 90 is XC and symbol for 5 is V. We write the Roman numerals without writing plus or minus in between them. So, the symbol for 95 is XCV. Did you get it? These are the rules to be written to write the Roman numerals. Yes? Now, we will see some of the examples. Okay? Yes? Let us see these examples. How to write 72 in Roman numerals. Yes? Before writing this, we will split the number according to their place value. That is, it is 70 plus 2. Let us write the symbol for 70. Before writing 70, how will you write? 50. What is this? L is 50. X is 10. Another X, it is 70. Now, how to write 2? 2 I's when you write? It is 72. So, symbol for 72 in Roman numerals is L, X, X, I. Yes? Now, 86. Can you tell how to write 86? First, before writing, let us split 80 plus 6. So, how will you write this? 80, what is the symbol for 80? Symbol for 80 is L, X, X, X. Then, how to write 6? 5 plus 1. So, what is the symbol? L, X, 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 V, 1. I. Okay? Now, 94. Yes, as I told you, it is 90 plus 4. So, how to write 90? 90 plus 4. How to write 90? X, C. That is, before 100. C is 100. before 100 if you write x, it is 10. So it is 90. How to write 4? V, and before that if you write I, it is 4. So x, C, I, V is the symbol for 94. Let us see the next number. It is 132. So how to write? 100 plus 30 plus 2. What is the symbol for 100? 100 is C, 30 is X, X and X. 2, how to write 2? I. Did you get it? So the symbol for 132 is C, X, 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 I. Did you get it? Yes? Now, let us see some more examples of writing the Roman numbers in Hindu Arabic. Let us see. Yes. Now look here. L, X, I, X. Yes. Can you tell how to write this? What is this symbol? It is 50. What is this? 10. Yes. Now this one. Can you tell what is this symbol? It is X. Before that I is there. So it is 9. So the symbol L, X, I, X is nothing but, can you tell? 69. Yes. Shall I tell you another example? C, L, I. Can you tell how to write this? What is this? C is 100, L is 50. Adding up. Here it is 1 plus 1 plus 1, it is 3. So it is 153. Yes. Now look here. We'll see another example. D, X, I, V. What is the symbol D represents? It's 500. X is 10. And this is IV is nothing but 4. So, what is the symbol D, X, I, V represent? 500 plus 10 plus 4. Can you tell me what it is? It is 514. Did you get it, children? We'll see another example. What does this M, C, C, V, I represent? Let us see. M is nothing but 1000, C is 100, and again C is 100. What is this? 5, and this is 3. So when you add it, 1000, 100 plus 100, 200, 1200, and what is this? 8. So the symbol M, C, C, V, I represent 1208. Is it or not? So the symbol M, C, C, V, I represent 1208. Is it clear, children? So these are Roman numerals. Yes? Yes? Let us repeat what all we have learned in this class. Okay? So, we have learned the symbols like I, V, X, L, C, D and M. Yes, these are the 7 symbols you have learned. The value of I is 1, value of V is 5, value of X is 10, value of L is 50, value of C is 100, and value of D is 500, and the value of M is 1000. Yes, and we have learned how to write the Hindu-Arabic numbers in Roman numbers. Also, we have learned how to write the Roman numbers in Indo-Arabic. I hope I am clear. Thank you, children.